All you will need is a shirt and a pair of scissors. If you do not have a ruler, you can use your finger right here. It's approximately an inch long, and do it until you get to about 8 inches and cut. So here I'm taking my hand to measure. It's approximately a hand's length to go over your nose to your chin, and I will cut about an inch in front and an inch behind my hand. Here you will cut about a hand's length, and this part will go over your face. And then these loops you will just snip at the ends so that you can be able to make a tie. And this is how you put it on. For this one, all you will need is fabric. You can use the fabric of a t-shirt or a towel. Fold it in half and make a rectangle. Then you'll take your 2 hair ties, put one on one end and put the other on the other end. Make sure you leave room in the middle to go around your face, and you fold it. Take the other end and put it on the inside of the others. Once you complete this step, you just pull the other hair tie to the side and you're finished. You can put your regular mask underneath it in the front and then put that over top of it. This is how you applied it.